Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your English language class. Today, we will start a new chapter from our English language book, that is chapter number 22, This and These, That and Those. Dear students, today we will learn when we can use this and these, that and those in sentences. Dear students, let us start with this and these. We use this and these to point something which is or are near us. And there is one more thing that we should keep in our mind, that is we use this to point one person, place, animal or thing, and we use these to point more than one person, place, animal or thing which is or are near us. Dear students, we use this to point one naming word, or we use these to point more than one naming words. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Can you see this picture? Yes. What is it? It is a table, and this table is near us. So what we will use? Here we will write this is a table, because there is only one table and table is near us. That is why we have written this is a table. Now can you see this picture once again? Yes. How many chairs are there? 2 chairs. These 2 chairs are near us. So what we will use, or what we will write now? We will write these are chairs, because there are 2, there is more than one chair and these chairs are near us. So we will use these are chairs. Now we will move to the next topic, that is that and those. Dear students, we use that and those to point something which is far from us. Dear students, and there is also one more thing that we should keep in our mind, that is we use that to point one person, place, animal or thing or naming word which is far from us, and we use those to point more than one person, place, animal or thing which are far from us, or naming words. We use that to point one, and we use those to point more than one naming words. Let us see one more example for better understanding. Here in this picture, there is only one bird which is flying in the sky, and this bird is far from us. It means we will use that to point this bird, because there is only one bird which is far from us, which is flying in the sky. So we will use that to point this bird. Now in this picture, there are more than one balloon. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons, and which are far from us. It means we will use those to point these balloons, because there are more than one balloons which are far from us. So we will use those to point these balloons. Now dear student, it means we use this and that. We use this to point one person, place, animal or thing which is near us, this for near, and we use that to point one person, place, animal or thing or naming word which is far from us. We use this for near and that for far. In this picture, there is only one girl which is near us, so we will use this to point this girl. We will write this is a girl. Now in this picture, there is only one helicopter and which is far from us. So we will use that to point this helicopter, because there is only one helicopter which is far from us. So we will use that to point this helicopter. We will use this for near objects and that for far objects. Dear student, these and those. We use these to point more than one person, place, animal or thing or naming words. For which is near from us, and we will use those to point more than one person, place, animal or thing which are far from us. These for near, those for far. In this picture there are 4 dogs which are near from us. It means we will use these to point these dogs. And in this picture there are 5 butterflies which are far from us. It means we will use those to point these butterflies because these are far from us. These for near, those for far. It means till now we learned that we use this and that to point one person, place, animal or thing, or naming words which are near from us, and we use these and those to point more than one person, place, animal or thing which are far from us. Let us solve one example or question to revise it. Here in this, fill in the blanks. The first sentence is dash is a ball. As you can see in this picture, there is only one ball which is near us. So, we will use this here to point this ball because we use this to point one person, place, animal or thing or naming word which is near us. Now, in second sentence, dash is a boy. As you can see in this picture, this boy is far from us. So, we will use that to point this boy because we use this and that to point one person, place, animal or thing which is near or far from us. This for near, that for far. Now, in the third sentence, we can see that there are 4 hats and these hats are near us. So, what we will use here? We will use these are hats. We will use these here because there are more than one hat and which are near us. So, here we will use these. In this sentence, we will write these are hats. Now, in the last sentence, we can see that there are 5 fishes which are far from us. It means it is more than one. So, we will use those here because we use these and those to point more than one person, place, animal or thing which are far from us. So, dear students, today we learned where we can use this, that, these and those in any sentences. That's all for today. Thank you.